Oh, hey. Well, the goofiness is on. I've had 4 cups of coffee today, so you know what that means. It's time to straight pipe the go-kart that you can't see right now. Oh yeah, let's get on with the acid tree. What we have here is an old Predator 212, and it has what we call a weenie pipe on it, which has a unscrewable muffler or whatever. And basically, this is an old go-kart engine that has been through hell and back. We are going to take this and put it on the TILLITSON 212, which is not tuned for this at all. We're just going to see how it sounds. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome to another acid tree. Let's get on with it. Yeah! 4 cups of coffee. Alright, so basically what we have going on here, we have the weenie pipe, and we're just going to take this off of the Predator, and we're going to remove the muffler because we don't need that shit, and we're going to put it on the TILLITSON. Alright, so we have the Pikachu go-kart, which is soon to be called Pikachu Choo Choo Choo, because we're putting a turbo on this bad boy. Stay tuned this winter. That series is coming. So this is a TILLITSON 212cc. Basically, this engine is designed for go-karts. It's not just your off-the-shelf Harbor Freight engine, and it basically makes a lot of power. It's still a Honda clone, but it makes 10 horsepower right out of the box. Has a flywheel rated. Had all day to blow over, and that happens now, right? It has a flywheel rated for 10,000 RPM, and it's just a beast of an engine right out of the box. One thing I really like about this engine is the muffler. It's a very, very free-flowing muffler, and it's very, very quiet. But if you do put your hand behind it when you're accelerating, it really does flow well, much better than the Predator, but it's very, very quiet. So we're gonna put this pipe on it and see what it sounds like. Oh yeah! I bet it's louder than the Predator because this engine does have more compression from my understanding, so we're gonna find out. Alright, so we got the pipe off. Now, will it fit the TILLITSON? Probably not. So here's a before clip with the stock exhaust. Oh yeah, it fits. It's about to be an acid tree. Let's see what it sounds like. This is gonna have to be quick. My neighbor's home. Pop! Yeah! That's fucking loud. Dude, the pops. Oh, fuck me. Alright, we gotta put the stock muffler back on it, but this winter, it's getting boosted. We fucking 9 pounds of boost. Oh, look how cute that turbo is. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. we straight piped the go-kart, and of course put the stock muffler back on because it's just too loud, and it was just insane. Oh man, the pops and everything. Oh, it's so loud. It's definitely louder than that Predator, because I do believe this engine has more compression. Anyway, next thing for the go-kart, we are putting the turbo back on it. I have all the parts. I'm just waiting for my hand to heal, and it works. I've had it on there before, so you don't have to be worried about disappointment of it not working. It works, and it makes 9 pounds of boost. It sounds insane. It's got a big fat muffler on it that makes it sound like a pit bike. It's awesome. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I am so excited. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when we do something stupid. Follow our official page at Solar Fox Racing Group on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram at SolarFoxG37 so you can see all the behind the scenes of the assetry. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay foxy.